Nailed it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my bread. I really miss bread. Naomijon back on track. I wish I wouldn't have done that. Today we will be doing a review. It's about the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie PATOOTie palette. I already unpacked it, I'm sorry. Okay, you guys, something happened. I didn't even start talking about the shades and they literally just fell apart. It just fell on my desk right here. And yeah, what is going on here? So I did open it up before and the shades exposed an natural. They did look a little loose, but now it just happened. They just fell out. What is going on? It looks like these two shades will fall out if I tilt it too much. And also this one looks kind of loose. So maybe I can just push it back in. Oh my god, they're so soft. This is not good. I think we need to start again. So today I will be doing a review of the Nudie PATOOTie palette by Laura Lee Los Angeles. She did send me this, but it will not affect my opinion, I promise you. I mean, if the eyeshadow falls out right at the beginning, I don't know what to think about that. Well, let's jump right into the review. So just as a background information, Laura Lee Los Angeles came out with a palette last year, and it was this one, the Cat's Pajamas palette. It looked like this, like full on glitter, and then this floral inside. Not that crazy about the glitter because it looks kind of cheap, to be honest, but this looked so cool. And also the shades, I just love this palette. Now she changed it a little bit because in this palette there are 10 shades and in her new palette there are 14 shades. Also, this palette is $40 and this palette is $45, so you get in 4 more shades for $5 more. That's not bad. But anyway, I will stop talking and I will start using this palette right now. Hi there. Just wanted to get a little closer. Okay, so here is the palette up close. I really like the packaging. It does say nude and it is a neutral nudes palette. And I love it. It's just a neutral palette, which you can always use. I mean, you can never have enough neutral palettes. So first up, I'm gonna go in with the shade Bear, which is probably my favorite shade out of the whole palette. It looks like a absolutely amazing transition shade. I'm just going to apply it onto my lid, just like in my crease. Okay, that looks amazing so far. And don't mind this. I'm just really unlucky when it comes to long nails. Ask my thumb. So far, this is blending super smoothly. I think I'm also going to apply it right here. Next, I'm gonna go in with Butt Naked. That's an amazing shade name. And on the inner perimeter of my eye. Let's jump into the darkest shade of the palette. That is Nakey right here. Just gonna dab it on. Then I'm gonna blend it out. Wow. I'm impressed with the blendability. Is that a word? Oh. Oh no! I just went ahead to adjust my camera and then this shade fell out completely. Oh, I don't know what to do with this shade. I just can't save it. It's everywhere. Maybe I can scoop it up with my fingernail. Just look at this. What is going on here? What did you do? I suppose that's just like one of those super glittery shades which are just way too glittery and just way too soft. They weren't pressed right. I don't know how let's just finish this. I'm kind of mad though. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the only glittery shade which is still intact, and this is Jaybird, and I'm just gonna use it on my finger. Ooh, girl, that is gorgeous. And I think this is one of those shades which you have to apply with your finger. This shade looks like yellow golden from one angle, and then from the other angle it looks like pink rose gold kind of, and this is beautiful. Wow, oh, look at this gorgeousness. Oops. I tried to blend the dark shade into the glitter and now it's just kind of patchy. Help! Can you see this, guys? This is just such a pretty shade. I'm living. Thanksgiving, more like thanks living. Now I'm gonna go in with stark. Stark means strong in German. I'm gonna apply it onto my brow bone. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Into my inner corner. And I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with butt naked right here. I'm gonna blend it out with Bare, the shade I used at the beginning. Let me just finish the eye look and then I'll be right back. I'm back. How do I start? I love the formula of the matte shades. They did apply it super easily and just blend it out super nicely, and there wasn't even a lot of fallout. It was really good. Ow, 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 ow. I don't know, I'm just not feeling that eye look that much. Maybe it was just me and I just don't have a good day. Maybe it was a palette, I don't know. It is quite a cute nude look. I mean, it is a nude palette, I don't know. In the end, the matte shades were amazing and blended out beautifully and they were pigmented, so I got nothing bad to say about the matte shades. Now, my whole desk is just sprinkled with eyeshadow clumps and powder. This is not okay. This one looks kind of loose too, and this one is dead. He just died. R.I.P. in peace. I mean, I really love Laura Lee. She is the cutest person on earth and I loved her palette last year. I would love this palette as well if there weren't these glitter shades which just fall out. I mean, Jaybird, which is like right here on my eyes, is such a pretty shade. The shades can be as pretty as they want to, but if it just falls out of the palette, if I just hold it up, it's just not gonna work for me. I mean, this lash is just so itchy. I don't know why. It's her second palette, so I guess she will improve her formula and I hope she's gonna take that feedback and just fix these eyeshadows. I wonder if I could do this face. I need like a middle part for this. Nailed it. Nailed it. I guess that's actually it for this video. I will go ahead and clean up this eyeshadow mess now. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys know it literally fell out completely. Oh my god. It is everywhere. I don't want to clean this up.